Hello. Okay. So let's see how to add balance total balance to invoice while you are printing when you are sending invoice to a client. Okay. Look now in this case we have Ade and Sons who has we have outstanding balance of 25,000 for Ade and Sons. Now let's see how to add that to new invoice and make it show. So select you can click on this and click on new invoice. Select new invoice. Now we have Ade and Sons and let's see we are buying the quantity 10 and the item code. Let us sugar and okay we have outstanding one. We have only one in the balance. Let's see, we have one sugar and it is 20 kg and per kg we have okay 1 kg, sorry. We have let's make it like sugar. Let's call it sugar and we're going to add it per each. We say 5,000. So we also have the next one. We have under 1 unit of butter, and here we have butter, and we have this to be this. This is 5 grams. 5 grams, and a gram is 1,000. We have this. So let's assume there is no VAT. There's no VAT. Go to there, non-taxable, and then non-taxable. So the balance, the invoice is 10,000 naira. And to preview this, if you click on preview, you have 10,000 naira on the invoice. But how do you customize your invoice to enable the initial balance to show? So you click on formatting. From formatting, you can manage template. So this is the current template we are using in Tweet. So you can just double click on this to create a new template. So click on the layout designer. Let's make a copy and we'll call it this is a new invoice. So after all the confirmation you are doing, you had a new data field. So let's look at data field. Balance due is the balance on this particular invoice. So if you want the balance due, the balance on this particular invoice, that is the balance due on this invoice. Assuming the person has paid part of it, the balance payable will show here, not the total invoice at this time. And you can add another one. Here we have total balance. Total balance. So we have this, and you can take this down. Let me try to reduce this here. Take this off. So you can take this off so that you can see the difference between the two. Okay, so let's hit OK. And the name of the copy of the invoice, copy 4. Let me see the name. We have copy 4 as the invoice. Let's click on print preview. Now, on the preview, you can see that the invoice is 10,000. Since there is no payment and advance on it, we have 10,000 balance due. But your total balance, sorry, we need to edit this balance, but you can see the total balance is what? Is 35,000, which shows that it has added the initial balances there. Okay. Okay, so let's close this. So you can see the balance is there. Okay, so let's quickly edit that to make it look better. So you can scroll down. Okay, so the text, we can just have balance payable, payable. So it will show us total balance payable or whichever name you want to call it. And that is it. So when next you are doing your invoice and you want to print your invoice, you go and select the copy 4, which is a template that is built to accommodate that. Come with that and click on preview. So you can okay. So you can see is showing as expected. So print the PDF come. So that is how to get that done. So coming up, invoice, print, 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 okay, download is it an invoice. Okay, let me open this. Open. So you can see, yeah, that is how to show the balance payable on the invoice. Thank you for watching.